In this video, we're going over how to get off the hook in Dead by Daylight. And this is something every survivor needs to understand. Once you're on the hook, the first thing you'll notice is the loading bar. Just let it progress and stay calm. While that bar is moving, you'll get skill checks, and you need to time those correctly. Missing a skill check is really risky. If you mess it up, your chances of getting off the hook become slimmer, and you'll also lose more health, which puts you closer to being eliminated. So, timing really matters here. Now, once you're fully able to figure out how to move, you'll see a prompt to unhook. Make sure you only unhook when the killer is far away, or at least not actively camping the area. After you're safely off the hook and away from danger, try to self-heal if you can, or find a teammate to help you heal up. Staying healthy gives you a much better chance of surviving longer in the match. And that's basically how to get off the hook in Dead by Daylight. Thank you for watching.